ready, guys?
Can I do the veggie omelet?
Okay, you want for tortillas?
No tortilla, but can I add a side of bacon?
Okay. Okay, what is that you eggs for the tortillas?
Scrambled.
Okay. That's it, guys.
That is all.
Okay, just a second, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, we are back home and now getting ready. We are actually going to head out to a crawfish boil, one that we go to every year. I'm pretty excited, just getting to be outside in the sun. It has been raining and hailing this week, so today's a beautiful day and I'm ready to get out there. I do have my my caffeine for the day. I am ready for 3D to release all their new flavors. If you haven't had 3D, look for it. I know in Waco they had been carrying it over at 5 Star. I don't really know where all it's going to be carried. It had been at HEB prior, so hopefully it'll be back at HEB because that's my store, getting all my groceries. But get ready with me. Let's go. Questions to have a hair on my chinny chin. Blow this house down. Is that right? The big bad wolf? So do you use this vitamin C serum? Just got it off of Amazon. I use it in the morning and at night. And then after this dries, we're gonna put on our sunscreen. Do not get it in your eyes, by the way, or you will feel like you wanna rip your eyeballs out all day. Just a warning. Then next, we are using, there we go, L'Oreal Age Perfect. And this does not take much, you guys, like that much. Again, do not get it in your eyes. Ugh. Okay. I feel like gold is coming back. I feel like most of my life it's always been silver. Where's silver? Now it's like everybody's wearing gold all the time. Ugh. Plus I think it goes better with my skin tone. And then also, got to show y'all, I'm wearing my Know Your Power bracelet from Miss Julia Renee. If you do not follow her on YouTube, go find her channel and subscribe. Trust me, you will not regret it. She has inspired me to do so much, and I just did her Know Your Power retreat last weekend, and I went in it without having any expectations, didn't really know what to expect. First of all, it was way outside of my comfort zone. First time I traveled alone, even though it was only like an hour and a half, still that was a big deal for me. But I just met some of the most incredible women, and we had so much in common. And like one of the things like a question that was asked is, how has your relationship been with other women? And I kind of felt like I've always had my guard up. I have friends, definitely have friends, but I don't know that I've ever been that girl's girl. I do care about my friends, but I've probably never been the one that they call like in a breakup or whatever, which is fine. But I think a lot of that is my personality. I'm very closed off. A lot of times I'm trying to get out of my shell to be more open-minded to friendships and things like that. I just kind of feel like it's gonna be a lot of work. I love hanging out with my husband. He's literally my best friend, so it's easy for me to kind of cocoon into that life of just hanging out with him and the kids and stuff like that. So we will see where that growth comes in, but I'm so thankful to have met these women. And if you go check out my Instagram, I'm friends with a lot of them, and they're doing amazing things. They're killing it in the gym, so go check it out. Now we're gonna go find Jason and get the cooler for today. Cooler. I cannot get in his truck. Short girl problems. I just gotta hike myself up in this thing. Guys, it is such a beautiful day. You have no idea. When I said earlier that it's been like raining and hailing, winds, trees being like uprooted, like I'm talking about big trees. Texas weather is insane. So we are getting ready to run into Waco. I think we're gonna go buy one of those canopies. It never fails. We buy them and then they end up going to someone else's house and we either forget it or it gets torn. It's like we've never really kept one very long. Oh, he's grabbing the wagon. Oh, awesome. Good, how are you? Jason, turn her this way. Hi. Lily.
I know it. What are you doing?
It won't focus on him. Hello.
Right there.
I'm busy talking to my crawfish.
Do your thing.
Well, I'm telling everybody it's too good to be true. Sweet things can make you sweet. I don't mind now. How about you? I said that's alright.
I'm not paying attention. You mean my hands?
To get yourself in. And I hear it's tight. Every night. Thank you, brother. Now, I'm
It is the next day and we are gonna have some ham and eggs for breakfast, probably a little bit of oatmeal. Excuse me. All right, let's go. Hello. So we ended up not doing the oatmeal because it exploded in the microwave and your girl don't have time to care. So I ended up doing 2 eggs and ham. And I did put a little bit of sugar-free syrup on my ham because I wanted a little sweet and savory. This is super good, 5 calories for 2 tablespoons, and that goes a long way because this stuff's pretty thin. Anybody else dance when they're eating because they love food so much? Yeah, that's me. Okay, just finished up in the shower and getting ready for church. I'm gonna do that today. But first, I'm gonna put on some makeup because you're looking a little rough. A few months ago, I went to Ulta and I was like, I don't know what to use. I'm not a makeup person. I really have no idea. So the girl ended up having me buy a bunch of Clinique. It works great, but I'm kind of leaning towards maybe trying to get something more affordable, I guess. Mostly because I don't wear makeup that much, and spending $300, $350 on makeup that I just don't ever wear just makes me want to cringe. But anyway, first off, I think I showed you guys this yesterday. Same thing. I start off with this vitamin C serum. Again, got that off of Amazon. So we'll let that dry real quick. And then we are going to put on the moisturizer next, which is the sunscreen. Let's see if I can get it to... It is L'Oreal's Age Perfect Sunscreen. Again, do not get it in your eyes because it sucks. It is so hot. Okay. Again, doesn't take much. Just a little dab. It just gets under my fingernail. Okay. I'm gonna put the sunscreen on, and then we'll let that kind of soak in, and then we'll start with the actual makeup. Yeah, if you guys have any tips on makeup or what brand you like, where do you get it, where do you get it, I'm open to it. And again, I'm not an expert at this, so don't make fun of me how I'm putting this on because it's all a guess. So we are gonna start with the Clinique Even Better Light Reflecting Primer. See if I can get that. So again, one thing I've kind of learned is it does not take much of any of this stuff to go a long way. So just keep that in mind. I guess it may, for me, maybe it is worth the money. I don't know. But I start with putting it on my hand. Do you put it on your hand? I don't know. You're supposed to do that? I don't know. I heard that somewhere once and started doing it, so. And then this blot method. Don't know if I'm doing that right either. But I do notice, even as much as I try to like clean my face, when I start really wearing makeup, I just start to break out, which kind of sucks. And then next we've got, oh, this has sunscreen in it too. Anyway, that's the, we're gonna do next. And put a little on my hand. Okie dokie. And this one kind of same thing. Just dabbing it on. I try not to make my makeup, oh God, too thick. 10-second rule, 10-second rule. Dang. Whew. Sorry. Okay, back at it. I'm so embarrassing. But it's the real me. I drop things and I stub my toe. Okie dokie. Probably could have got better coverage, but so hot. Okay. Next, so I have these. One's the contour and the highlight. I was really bummed because when I got home with this one, it was broken. But I was like, they're not going to believe me. I can't take it back. I just think there's so many people that lie all the time that I don't even trust that anybody's going to believe me when a product's broken or something, but whatever. So it like goes up like this. And I do our, you can't really see it right now, but I put some on my nose, do a little V here. Oh. And this one you gotta be careful with because it's broken. Ugh. Okay. I feel like I'm getting ready for war here. I guess that's what I call it, the war paint. Okay. And then next I just kind of use my sponge and dab it in. Again, if I'm not doing any of this right, don't be mean. Just give me some pro tips. Hey girl, just do this instead. Try this. So we're here to be nice to each other. All right. Next, we've got the one that's like the blush. Back to dabbing. Okay. All righty. And then I had bought this eyeliner. Not really realizing that it's one that you gotta like draw on. Oh. I'm one of those that I've always used eyeshadow. I don't really like it. It's way too hard. Yeah, this is a joke. And I don't know if you're supposed to go all the way over. Oh, look at that. That's bad. It's okay. Jesus still loves me. Do you open your mouth too, like when you put on your makeup? that's as good as that's gonna get. Sorry guys, getting over these freaking Texas allergies, man. I can't get it out. It's been like 2 weeks. Oh, another question for you experts. Do you put on your mascara before or after eyeshadow? Does it matter? Probably not. Oh my gosh. I'm like sweating. And we keep our house on 68. It's not like it's like a sauna in here. Okay. Done. Next. Oh shoot. I meant to put this on first, because I don't like to have my eye makeup on yet when I put this on. This is like the powder, like the setting, right? Pressed powder. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and put that on. But isn't... That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing here. This definitely helps with all the like oily look, I guess. I feel like my eyes didn't. My eyes are still pretty like... Okay, so then this is like the eyeshadow. I think I do it right. I really don't know. So this one, this side twists, and it's like a, like that. And I just kind of put it on like this. Ugh. I don't even know, is anything even coming out of here? I don't know. Okay. That twist, then we do a pop. And this one I'm gonna do more of like a highlighter, I guess. I think I'm doing it right. Anyway, that's it for makeup. Bam! Okay. Oh, just kidding. Forgot the lipstick. I prefer a nude color. This one's not really one that, it's not really nude. But then I have a lot of people that say, why are your lips the same color as your skin? Like, I don't know, I like it, I guess. And then, ooh. And then today we're gonna wear Very Sexy by Victoria's Secret. Let me tell you how I got this. So one of my customers had come in one day, and she got out of her car and she smelled so good. And I just happened to see this in there, and I texted Jason and I said, oh my gosh, this lady smelled so good, and this is what she had in her car. Oh, he came home that day and had bought me a bottle. That was so sweet. That was really nice. Those are the, like, I don't expect gifts or anything like that, but they're really nice to get. So I appreciated that. Especially whenever it's something I probably would have never gone and bought for myself. So, okay, now it is time to try to do something with this. I think I'm gonna curl it. Do we have time? Yeah. You have time to curl it? Ooh. So I'm using the, I don't know what this is even called, to be honest with you, but it's from Launch, and I turned the fan off, but it makes like a fan noise. So as you curl your hair, it kind of like cools at the same time. I'll show you in real time a few curls, and then I won't make y'all watch the rest of this because I know it's pretty boring. Later, after church, we're gonna run to the H-E-B, and get some food. I'm probably gonna be pretty simple this week. I'm just, as it gets hotter, I like to sit in my car and have lunch. So anyway, I just haven't been like super hungry, and tuna actually has a lot of protein and it's super easy to eat. So I already boiled some eggs earlier this morning. So then I'm probably just gonna have tuna this week. So nothing fancy. Last week and a few times even for dinner, I was doing those sweet potato taco bowls. So good. I could eat those all the time. It's just so hot right now to eat it at lunchtime. And it's only May, y'all. We're not even in the heat of summer yet. So those curls. I don't really brush through them because mine kind of fall naturally. I mean, I might, but I didn't blow dry my hair all the way. That's probably my mistake today. But I usually run the straightener part through it once and just kind of get those wispies. And then I do my curls like the opposite to my face. I don't like them coming to my face. And this is so easy to use. And I mean, I still have a straightener and I have a curling iron, but I pretty much, this is my go-to. So, okay. I'll show you guys. Probably one more curl, and then I'm just gonna finish the rest of this up on my own.
Oh, you got a camera.
Yeah.
Guess what happened?
Do you want to be on the YouTube? Oh. Hey guys. Okay, you can finish your story. Hey guys, we are headed to my cousin's house. She has her granddaughter, so we're gonna go there, have some coffee, and spend time with them, getting the whole gang together. So I promise I'm not gonna hit anything. Oh, turn the air on. She's like passing out again.
Maybe sitting up will help her to feel better.
I was trying to figure out why I was so close to everybody in the head. I had it zoomed in.
Jay's still working at the restaurant?
Guys, I just got home and I want to show y'all. We bought a new tree a few weeks ago because the trees that were put in when we first built the house, they did not survive. I'm pretty sure they were crap when they first got put in. But hold, please. Look. First I started with putting in my BCAAs. I drink this during my workout. I've been taking this for a couple months now, but something new I'm gonna add into it is the Pure Rebuild. This is my first time trying this one. I'm actually opening it up. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't read the directions, or I thought it was like a pre-workout, but it's not. That's okay. I don't usually take pre-workout anyway. This one is sour grape. Oof, you can smell the grape in that. I'm gonna go ahead and just add the rest of this water. Yeah, get in there. Just went ahead and stacked those two together. All right, let's go to the gym.